Anyways, I'm at Salt Lake City Internet. I'm at the airport right now. And there's a 757 Delta. There's a ton of bunker stuff, but I can still kind of see it right there. 757. Pushback tugs connected. Not a lot of traffic. There is some baggage carts and stuff. 757, we got one. So the runway's back there. I'll tell you if I get anything. But yep, done from a different angle. Still can't exactly capture everything on camera of it. Front, it's a Delta, the Delta area. See, the runway's in the back. I don't know if I'll catch much because there's not a lot of traffic currently. But yeah, so there's another truck in the back and stuff. But I'm gonna have to wait a bit. On the move, boys. Time to push back, guys. This plane's starting to move, 757, so we got this one on the move. Still no sign of other planes, but so it's getting pushed back, but then the marshal will give it directions. Taxi onto the runway, there's cars in the back and stuff. A lot of planes, but I'm gonna sit down here. So here is more. So I got more angle of the 757. Southwest taking off. The distance. Southwest. Yep, so there's some, so yeah, but those have some good view. So yep, that's the 757. It's also turning here. But yeah, not a lot of action. The gates are like empty, literally. Turn it around and it will start up its engines and begin flying. We'll get to the taxi, so there's also a truck coming in. Gigantic 757. Literally no other aircraft in the distance. Southwest planes coming and going. Yeah, so now I get this back view. That's pretty nice. Better to capture it in real life. So when I come here, just yeah, if you can. So, yep, that's the 757. Gonna tell you about the 757 still right there. No exact other planes in the distance. There was one Southwest earlier that took off. I don't know. Yeah, there's a few dots there, so. Let me try to increase the brightness. That's too bright. So, yeah. And the Delta's still there. Kind of move. To go far away. Some alarms, but back, I don't know why, but yeah, we got the Delta and stuff. Again, it's moving. There's definitely flights because it's very crowded, but good to check. So then this one's going on to the off side. We might get to see it take off later. I can catch it because I'm busy doing other stuff here. So yeah, that's the plane going in the back. There used to be a ton of traffic, but now there's not a lot. That's it on the side. A jet in the background. This spot, yeah, so there's a lot of good gates here. Still not a lot of action. But in the back, there's the private. Run. Back to Delta. I'm on the ground. Well, how did a bird get inside? Wait, what? What you doing, little mate? Do you want to fly too? Do you like the planes? Do you want to fly like them? I mean, you can fly like them, but yeah. Everything flying is in here, apparently. American taking off. Right, but we have to be really close. But on this side, we're really close. A Delta super near us. Look, a Delta super close. exhausted.
There was one taking off over there.
I know, I captured it to team it. But look, it's right here. Closely inspection. Yeah, it's definitely 737. Probably not a Max. I think it's a Dash 8.
I think this is supposed to.
Okay, so right here, plane. So 737 again, cool wingtips. A good logo, still not much anywhere else. They're getting the cargo in and stuff. Well, the baggage out and stuff, so yeah. 737. And there's also the one right next to us. Some shuttles and stuff down. Some stuff down there. And in the far view, there is a 737 coming in. Turn up the lighting to see if it helps. Yeah, it's on the other side of this terminal area. Then right here, we got super lucky because right here, this is 737-8, I think, or 9. And there's this one right here. And all this stuff. This is perfect spotting, guys. So it's coming right here, looks like, well, near. So I can turn, see up right here. Turning under there, and also this one's work is being done on this 737. And then coming right in, there might be some taking off soon, but yeah. Perfect capture. I called it the American A320. Going in the air. For now, there's only Delta here, due to this being a Delta hub at LCC, so that's flying. Big taxiways. So, yep, doing pretty good here. On the plane, it's quite a bit of action. After that 757, I might capture takeoff if it comes, because it might take a bit. More videos, leave a like and subscribe. So this is where I was recording, right at LCC, the Delta Hub. So anyways, I gotta go. See you next time. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I love plane spotting now. Wish I could do it more, but can't always get what you want.